Hey, so you've received your new Lumin screen via courier. Very exciting. And this is what it'll look like. Sorry, a bit excited about that. You can get that out of the way. It will come in your plastic wrapping, just like this. Undo it. Let me get the power cable out. That's literally everything that comes in the box. Then we've got the stand here, which just pulls out to help it to stay where it needs to go. You can also put it on the wall if you wanted to. Anyway, that's something that you can get to. Then we get the power cable, undo the toggles. It's pretty self-explanatory because literally this goes nowhere else but in here. We will plug this one into power. Now on the back of the device, you want to plug this into where it literally has a PowerPoint button. Plug it in and voila! We've got the Lumin. It will upload with everything that we've already put onto it. So there's nothing that you need to do other than plug in your screen.